Welcome back to Finance Mentor Pro. Today we're diving into the exciting world of investing for beginners. Whether you're just starting to manage your finances or aiming to grow your wealth for future financial goals, understanding the fundamentals of investing is essential. By the end of this comprehensive guide, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to begin your journey towards financial independence. Let's explore how you can make your money work smarter for you through strategic investing. Understanding investing. At its core, investing involves using your money to purchase assets with the expectation of generating returns over time. Unlike saving, which typically involves depositing money into a bank account with minimal growth, investing allows you to potentially earn profits through various financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, real estate, commodities, and more specialized investments. The primary goal of investing is to grow your wealth, beat inflation, and achieve financial objectives such as funding retirement, saving for education, or building a nest egg for major purchases. Types of investments. Let's delve deeper into some key investment options available to you. Stocks. When you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying ownership, shares, in a company. Stocks offer the potential for capital appreciation, increase in share price over time, and may also provide income through dividends distributed to shareholders. Bonds. Bonds represent debt securities issued by governments, municipalities, or corporations. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to the issuer in exchange for regular interest payments, coupons, and the return of the bond's face value at maturity. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are investment funds that pool money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Managed by professional portfolio managers, mutual funds and ETFs offer diversification across various securities and market sectors, making them popular choices for investors seeking to spread risk. Risk and return. Every investment carries some level of risk, which refers to the potential for losing money or not achieving expected returns. Generally, investments offering higher potential returns also come with higher risk. Understanding your risk tolerance, how comfortable you are with fluctuations in the value of your investments, is crucial in designing an investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals, time horizon, and personal circumstances. Conservative investors may prioritize capital preservation and steady income, while aggressive investors may seek higher returns through greater exposure to market fluctuations. Building your investment portfolio is, well, a crucial step in managing risk and optimizing returns over the long term. You see, a well-structured investment portfolio is key to achieving these goals. Diversification is, without a doubt, a cornerstone of successful investing. It involves allocating your investments across different asset classes, industries, geographic regions, and investment styles. By diversifying your portfolio, you can potentially reduce the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. For example, a diversified portfolio might include a mix of large cap and small cap stocks, government and corporate bonds with varying maturities, international investments, and possibly alternative assets, such as real estate investment trusts, or REITs, and commodities. Choosing the right investment accounts. Selecting the appropriate investment accounts is crucial for optimizing tax efficiency and aligning with your investment goals. Retirement accounts. Retirement accounts such as IRAs, individual retirement accounts, and employer-sponsored 401k plans offer significant tax advantages that can help maximize your savings for retirement. Traditional IRAs and 401k plans allow for tax-deferred growth, meaning you won't pay taxes on your investment earnings until you withdraw them in retirement. Roth IRAs and Roth 401k plans, on the other hand, are funded with after-tax dollars, but offer tax-free growth potential and tax-free withdrawals in retirement, provided certain conditions are met. Taxable brokerage accounts. These accounts provide flexibility in terms of withdrawals and investment choices, but are subject to capital gains tax on any profits realized when investments are sold at a gain. Getting started. Ready to embark on your investing journey? Here are practical steps to help you get started. 1. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn about basic investment concepts, the different types of assets available, and how financial markets operate. Resources such as reputable financial websites, books written by investment experts, online courses and seminars can provide valuable insights and education. 2. Set financial goals. Define your investment objectives based on your personal financial situation, aspirations, and time horizon. Whether your goals include achieving financial independence, funding your children's education, buying a home, or traveling the world during retirement, having clear and measurable goals will guide your investment decisions. 3. Start small and grow. Begin with an amount you're comfortable investing, even if it's modest. Starting early allows your investments to benefit from compounding over time, where your investment returns generate their own returns. As you gain experience, confidence, and knowledge, gradually increase your investments and diversify your portfolio to spread risk and capture potential opportunities across different market conditions. The importance of long-term perspective. Successful investing requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. It's about staying committed to your investment strategy, resisting the urge to react impulsively to short-term market fluctuations or noise, and focusing on achieving your long-term financial objectives. By maintaining a disciplined approach and staying invested through market cycles, investors have historically been rewarded for their perseverance and ability to harness the power of compounding over time. Conclusion: congratulations! You now have a comprehensive understanding of the fundamentals of investing. Remember, investing is a journey of continuous learning, adaptation, and personal growth. By starting early, diversifying your investment portfolio, and staying informed about market trends and economic developments, you're setting yourself up for financial success and achieving your long-term financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for more investing tips, strategies, and insights. Thank you for watching. Explore more investing insights and strategies by watching our related videos. Subscribe to our channel for ongoing guidance on your path to financial empowerment and wealth building.